Okay, here we go. JG Edition and box number 2 of 2009 SB Legendary Cuts. Let's see if we can open this one in any kind of normal speed here. Alright. Oh, look, he's got a box. Whoa, watch the language. This might be watched by kids, man. Got 12 packs of Glorious coming out here. Alright. Here we go. And 20th anniversary Larry Bird.
Faster.
And a 20th anniversary. Goes so fast. Who was it?
Kerrywood.
Kerrywood.
Sorry.
And a dual jersey of
Mark. Yeah.
Mark Teixeira and Eddie Murray.
I can't see upside down.
Yeah. Mark Teixeira and Eddie Murray. Whoa. This thing doesn't do really good close-ups. 20th anniversary Johnny Unitas.
Peyton Manning.
Or I'm sorry, Peyton Manning. I apparently can't read very well right side up.
Another hit is
Looks like a jersey card of Russell Martin.
Not
Dodgers.
Another hit again.
And we got a jersey card of Don Mattingly.
Out of 75.
And a 75. And a 20th anniversary of the Kentucky mascot, I think. You go through those so fast, Jeff, I can't tell. Oh, you gotta pick it up. You got about 35 seconds left.
35 seconds left. This is the last hit.
There's a jersey card of
There you go.
Vladimir Guerrero.
That's it.
You didn't know that yet? If you get a cut, it'll be extra. And 20th anniversary of the Michigan-Nebraska rivalry, it looks like. Come on, you got 10 seconds. Running out of time. Quick, 20th anniversary. Come on, you gotta do it. 3, 2,